Welcome to our channel. If you've ever dreamed of becoming wealthy, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to unveil a proven 5-step formula to help you achieve financial success. Let's get started. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. The road to wealth begins with a destination. Define your financial goals, both short-term and long-term. Be specific and realistic. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or retiring comfortably, setting clear goals is your first crucial step. Step 2. Create a budget. Managing your finances is vital. Create a budget that tracks your income, expenses, and savings. This will help you identify areas where you can cut costs and increase your savings rate. Step 3. Invest wisely. Riches grow when you put your money to work. Learn about different investment options, such as stocks, real estate, and retirement accounts. Diversify your portfolio and aim for long-term growth. If you are new to our channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Step 4. Continuous learning. Wealthy individuals never stop learning. Invest in your education and skills. Stay updated on financial trends and opportunities. Knowledge is your most valuable asset. Step 5. Persistence and patience. Becoming rich takes time. Stay persistent, even in the face of setbacks. Patience is key in the world of wealth building. Stick to your plan and adjust when necessary. There you have it, the 5-step formula to become rich. Remember, it's not an overnight journey, but with dedication and the right mindset, financial success is within reach. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.